Oh, are you serious? Oh, well, guys, don't judge my dirt. Okay, this is Mooregirl, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today, guys, I want to show you some of my favorite household products I use to clean with. Here it is. We missed summers. It's really hot out there. Now, I did already spring clean some things, but I wanted, of course, a refresh for the midsummer and again prepare for when the fall season comes. So these are my favorite things that I really clean on a weekly basis. My steamer, I'm going to show you also. I don't pull it out that often, but when I do, it really helps. My other products help just break in that grime. It really helps when it deodorizes. It smells so fresh. So, guys, I just wanted to show you real quickly how I clean my home. So this video is not sponsored by anyone particular, but I just wanted to show you the products I use, my favorite products I use to clean my home. All right, guys, let me show you first the microwave. Now, when it comes to my microwave, my best combinations is I use the eraser along with my super clean. My super clean to me is the strongest cleaner that I have. I really like this one, and I got this through last year a vendor. So I did a sponsorship last year, and I was really impressed by this product. None of this is sponsored today, but I just wanted to show you again my favorite things that I use that makes my life easier when I clean my home. You'll notice after I finish washing everything down, I like to use a disinfectant cloth to wipe down the areas. To me, it gives a nice deodorizing scent, and it just smells so fresh and clean. Now, when it comes to the stove, what I use to tackle that grime and that really built up grease is my super clean, and then I go back over it with my steamer. I did it last year, and I'm telling you, it lasts almost the whole entire year. The only thing I had to do was a quick wipe up. And again, when I wipe everything down again, I'm using my disinfectant cloth. Now, when it comes to baked on items where you really can't scrub it off, I use the Scouring stick. Now, you can get this at Walmart, Amazon, or even Home Depot. Now, since this is a surface that you don't want to really scratch it up really hard, so I'm just doing it really lightly so I can just lift up the debris, and then I come across with the eraser again and wipe it up again with the disinfectant cloth again. Now, when it comes to those hard to reach spots, you want to use your strongest spray and also a brush, sort of like a toothbrush or some type of a small bristle brush, or you can use Mrs. Meyer's. After I spray and let it soak, I come in with that steamer, and this helps break down that grease and grime in those hard to reach places. And then again, when you use your brush, it helps sort of just scrub it right away. Just be careful when you're using your steamer that you don't burn yourself because it gets extremely hot. Also, I wanted to show this part with my steamer because my friend said that her steamer didn't work. This is how your steamer should sound. When it comes to my burners, again, the same thing, Pumie, disinfectant cloth, and super clean. Now, if you have those hard to clean burners, you can also use lemon and baking soda. Put it in the back and let it sit. I think the acidic from the lemons help loosen up the dirt. Oh guys, yes, this is disgusting. Pulling out the garbage disposal liner. Don't forget that. And I am using toilet bowl cleaner. Yes, I am. I don't know if I made this up last time. I think I had one that was for calcium buildup, and I use it in the toilet. And I also use it for the calcium on my sink. But guess what, guys? It worked well, and I come back with it again with the steamer to disinfect everything so you don't have that smell in the garbage disposal. Again, when it comes to the calcium buildup on your sinks or toilet, I do use a Pumie, and I didn't know that the maintenance men told me also that's what they use. So I guess it's okay to use. So I use a Pumie around the fixtures of my sink. And being a renter, I cannot replace this. So this is the best thing as renters we can do. But also don't scratch too hard because you don't want to damage, anything on the property. Now, when it comes to any baseboards, what I like to do or paint, got to be really careful with this steamer. Don't have it too high. I have it on low to medium, never high when it comes to paint because it can take the paint off. So just be really careful. And also, I really like it to loosen anything on baseboards. It'll loosen the dirt and you just wipe it right off with an eraser or disinfectant wipes. Now, I tried this last year when I got this cleaner, and I haven't used any other cleaners on my white chairs. It didn't stain, it didn't damage it, it came out perfectly clean. So I know sometimes when you use super clean, it is so strong, they want you diluted. But the foaming ones, I sprayed directly on my chairs and sofa. Now, when it comes to my Light and Easy steamer, this is the favorite part I like to use. I like to use a handheld steamer. I really don't use this for the mop because I like the attachments to it. I'm steaming my screens. I did this in the summer. I took them all out. So now I'm just kind of going over it. And what I really love about the steamer, it does your grout. And as you can see, the other things it does as well. I really like this steamer. I'm telling you, everyone should own a steamer. Now, when it comes to my floor, this little girl has helped me so much. Yes, because she's rose gold and white. This is by Ywwsi. I call her Sophia. She helps me clean my carpet so I don't have to pull out my vacuum that often, which really hurts my back. So, you know, she comes around, she cleans, she goes under the whole thing. She's not expensive. She was only like under $200. This is not a $400 to $500 one. You know, she doesn't have mapping system, but she does the job and she really helps me clean my carpet. Okay, one of the things I do use it, I use my steamer with this attachment here for my carpets. And if you're like me and have a pet, since I have a kitty, if you have a dog, this kind of helps deodorizes your carpet. I put a little drop of essential oil in it, and I really love peppermint. And I just kind of go over the carpet just to help deodorize it. It doesn't clean, just a nice steam to help deodorize the carpet. Okay guys, well, I hope you like the tips and tricks I gave you on how to clean your home. And also the products I show you that I use in my home. Okay, from the Pumas up into the steamer, guys. These are such really nice products. I really like them, especially in Super Clean. It's not sponsoring it. I got it last year, and I'm telling you, I love this product. And you can get it at AutoZone, or I think I saw it the other day at O'Reilly's. So you can get this product probably Amazon or an auto store. I noticed they had it as well. The steamer I really like, and you can see I use it for a multitude of things. Don't forget to watch last year's videos. I'll link it at the end to show you other things I use my steamer for. Alright guys, don't forget again to like, comment, and share. And don't forget the thumbs up, because when you thumbs up, it really do help our channels. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next video. Alright guys, it's Mooregirl. I'll see you later. Bye.